Are you doing the trick?
Go.
Does he know?
Okay.
Cameron, let's see the card. So Cameron has 2 cards. Here, this is one of his cards. Wait, I gotta zoom in closer, dude. That's 1. You have 2 cards though, right, Cameron? Cam, show us your other card.
Can I get 2 cards?
Yeah, you can. You can still do it, Trey.
Okay.
Okay, cool. You see those? Everybody? Bing and bing. Now Trey's gonna try to figure them out.
Okay. Put it back in the pile.
And he put them back in the pile.
Both
Bing.
of them?
Yep, he did.
Okay. Now I will shuffle
Trey's
them.
shuffling the pile.
Okay. Here we
Easy. Just okay.
go. Okay.
He's just shuffling randomly. Just go, just go, just go. Oh, no, you did it wrong.
No, I didn't.
We'll see.
Okay. Shella. Let's see. Oh my god, I forgot it. Oh yeah, no, I got it.
He's gonna try to find those cards.
Okay, I might do Jack and an ace.
Trey said Jack and an ace. Oh my gosh. How did he do that?